This is a Bikram beginning yoga class. As a beginner, you must listen very carefully what to do and how to do. As a beginner, you are just learning swimming, driving a car, and bicycles. If you understand what to do and how to do, rest of your life you will do your own, just everything else. Listen carefully. Breathing exercise, pranayama breathing, good for your lungs, for your respiratory system. Breathing, inhale and exhale as much as possible, as long as possible, as slow as possible. Inhale by nose and exhale by mouth. Inhaling and exhaling all the time, you have to use your throat. That means in by nose, out by mouth, but through throat. Nose and mouth, you just use for passage only, to air going in, air out, but all the time you have to concentrate through your throat.
So you guys ready? Yes. All 10 fingers interlock position. Touch your hands underneath your chin. Never separate. Keep touch. Make sure you can see yourself in the mirror. Nice and relax your shoulders. Concentrate. Meditate with me. Inhale. Keep your head down and arms up. Start please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Open your mouth. Push your head back. Way back. Bring your elbows down. Touch your elbows each other. Inhale, head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Hold it. Exhale, head up. Push your head back. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Hold it. Inhale, head down. 1. Arms and head movement synchronizing should be exactly together in 6 seconds, not before or after. Exhale, head up. Slowly push your head back, way back. Take 6 seconds to touch your elbow, not before or after. Again, inhale, head down. Suck your stomach in, chest up, spine straight, elbows up. Full lungs until you feel dizzy. Hold it. Don't start until I tell you. Exhale, head up. Slowly push your head back. Elbows away from your chest, touch your elbows each other. Again, inhale, head down. Now each time, try to inhale little more than the last time. That means more and more and more. Exhale, head up. 1, 2. Push your head back. Fold your 10 fingers, nice and tight grip, including your thumbs. Inhale, head down. Stomach in, chest up, spine straight, elbows up, full lungs, all the way up until your shoulder hurt a little bit. Exhale, head up. Slowly push your head back. Now hips a little bit forward towards the mirror right now, and hips muscles contraction tightening up. Solid concrete one piece. Inhale, head down. Chest up. Arms and head movement together please at the same time. Exhale, head up. Way back. Now shoulders relax. Push your head back until your neck hurt a little bit. Maybe. Inhale, head down. 1, 2. Very slowly. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Hold it. Exhale, head up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it.
The last one. Inhale.
That's enough.
Okay, second set.
Feet together. All 10 fingers interlock position. Hands touching the chin. Swallow a couple of times. Nice and relax. Concentrate, meditate. You ready? Start. Inhale. Full lungs. Use your throat all the way up. Exhale, head up. 1. See how wonderful sound? When you are exhaling, I want same sound. Inhale. 1, 2. Very slowly. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Hold it. Exhale, head up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it. Exhale, head up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it. Inhale, head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it. Exhale, head up. Shoulders relax. Hips a little bit forward. Hips muscles contraction. Nice and tight grip. Inhale, head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it. Exhale, head up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it. Inhale, head down. Remember, synchronizing should be in 6 seconds. Exhale, head up. Not before, not after. Way, way, way back. Inhale, head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it. Exhale, head up. Slowly push your head back. Inhale, head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it. Exhale, head up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it. Inhale, head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it. Exhale, head up. 1. Very slowly. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it there for a second. The last one, everybody. Inhale. 1. Exhale, head up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it. That's enough. Feet together nicely, everybody. Ardha Chandrasana. Half moon pose. Concentrate. Listen to me word by word. Look in the mirror. Arms over the head side. Get your hands palm together. Nice and tight grip. Release your index. Cross your thumbs also behind you. Up to your wrist, your hands palm should be touching each other like with the glue. No gap. Stretch up. Right on left and right on left and right on left towards the ceiling. 10, 15 times. Go and touch the ceiling. Make sure you should feel, you should create everything stretching from the both sides of the body all the way up to the fingertips. When you can stretch anymore, stop in the middle. Make sure your elbow lock, your arms always touching with your ears. No gap. Now hips a little bit forward towards the mirror. Upper body lean back couple of inches. Start to finish, your body weight should be on the heels. Stretch up one more time. 4 lungs inhale breathing. Hold the breathing. Concentrate one point on your forehead. Don't blink your eyes. Absolutely straight line, bend your body to your right side without bending your elbows or the knee. And continuously keep pushing your hip to the left side as hard as possible beyond your flexibility. You are trying to create tremendous stretching feeling all over in the left side of your body, inside out, from bone to the skin, from finger to the toes. Everybody come down a couple of inches more. Little bit left hip forward towards the mirror. Whole upper body lean back couple of inches. Come down more, arms back. Arms touching with your ears. Come down and push very hard couple of times. Come up please and stop in the middle. Again, nice and tight grip. Don't lose the grip. Stretch up harder. Lock the elbow. Chin up please. Arms and head back couple of inches. Keep your chin up. Don't bring your chin down when you're looking in the mirror or bend to the side. Now hips forward. Body weight on the heels. Inhale breathing. Bend left side. Straight line. Absolutely straight line. Go down. Look in the mirror. Concentrate one point on your forehead. Arms touching with your ears. No elbow. You don't have the elbow. Arms back. Everybody arms back. Open your chest. The rib cage. Open your deltoid. Everything is whole upper body opening like a flower petal blooming. Arms back more. Shoulders supposed to hurt a little bit. Upper body back. And push and push and push and push and push and push and push. Straight, push. Come up please and stop in the middle. Back bending. Don't give up. Listen to me carefully. You can trust me. Your back is going to hurt like a hell as a beginner. Don't get scared. That's very normal. I don't sell cheesecake. I sell pain. As much as hurt as a beginner, it's good for you. Rest of your life, your back is not going to hurt. I promise. Full lungs, inhale, breathing, hold the breathing. And completely drop your head back all the way. Now bend your total spine, backward bending. Push your upper body backward. Try to fall down backward. Bring your 110% body weight on the heels. Everybody drop your head back, arms back, look back, fall back, way back, go back, go back, go back more, couple of inches, stomach, legs, hips, everything forward. The last chance, everybody, stomach forward more. Come up, arms and head together.
And stop in the middle. If you feel a little bit dizzy right now, which is very normal, don't get scared. Next is Padahastasana, hands to legs posture.
Go down front side, arms and head together. Bend your knees, move your hips sidewise, right and left and right and left and right and left 10-15 times to make sure your lower spine totally nice and relaxed, loose, comfortable, easy and flexible. This is a U-turn from back bending to forward bending. First set you have to do a little bit carefully because your spine is not still warmed up. Bend your knees, move your hips, go down and grab the heels. Put your hands all the way behind your legs underneath your heels. Nice and tight grip. Two little baby fingers, the pinkies should be touching each other side by side underneath your heels. Elbows all the way behind your legs on the calf muscles. Pull your heels as hard as possible and stretch your body down from the lower spine towards the floor. Touch your stomach on the thighs, chest on the knees, face on the legs below the knees. Whole body should touch the leg like a sandwich, no gap anywhere. Without losing your hands, elbows or face, exhale breathing, keep your eyes open and pull your heels. Slowly push your knees back as hard as possible. Try to create tremendous stretching feeling all over underneath your legs, inside out from bone to the skin, from coccyx to the toes with your smiling, happy face. Touch your face and lock the knee. Pull your heels and lock the knee. Exhale breathing, lock the knee. Roll forward, lock the knee. Eyes open. Touch your face and lock the knees, lock the knees, lock the knees. Inhale breathing.
Come up, arms and head together. And arms down side. Wonderful. Now it will be easier and easier and easier because you'll be more warm up. More you warm up, you do easy, it's not going to hurt anymore. Second set again, half moon posture. Use your little bit extra strength because I go a little bit faster.
Arms over the head, hold it nice and tight grip. Second set, half moon, nice and tight grip. Stretch up harder, elbow lock, hands palm together, lean back couple of inches, everybody. Please lean back, everybody, when I'm talking. Lean back couple of inches. Now chin up, arms back more. Concentrate one point on your forehead. Inhale breathing, hold the breathing, bend right side. Absolutely straight line. Don't bring your head down or arms forward. Arms and head back. Every human being has same problem as a beginner in my class. Upper body leaning back, body weight on the heels. Continuously keep pushing your hip to the left side beyond your flexibility. Everybody left hip little bit forward towards the mirror. Right shoulder forward towards the mirror. Arms and head back couple of inches. Come down more and push your hips more. Your left side body should be 4 feet from deltoid to the pelvis, the hip bone. Right side only 1 inch. Come down and push very hard couple of times before you come up. Change. Use little bit extra strength in the second set because already you warm up. Don't get scared, okay? Stretch up harder, lock the elbow, chin up, lean back little bit, arms and head back, chin up, concentrate one point on your forehead. Inhale breathing, then left side. Arms and head back couple of inches, elbow lock. Arms touching with everybody, come down couple of inches, upper body leaning back, body weight on the heels. You got to push your hips more that side. The way she's pushing, push. Go ahead, push, trust me. Push. Change.
Stop in the middle. Back bending. Everybody together. You ready? Full lungs, inhale breathing. Hold the breathing. Don't get scared. Always eyes open. Never close your eyes. If you close your eyes, you might fall down.
Full lungs, inhale breathing. Hold the breathing. Quick drop your head back. Arms back immediately. Bend your total spine. Coccyx to the neck. Joints up each and every vertebrae and cartilage. Stomach, legs, hips, everything push forward. Look back, way back, arms back, fall back, node back, way back, go back. Last chance, everybody. Inhale and come up.
Now you warm up. Don't scared. Bend your knees, move your hips, go down. Quick, grab the heels. Put your hands underneath your heels. All of your life, you pull somebody's legs. You never realize how they felt it, right? Now you learn how to pull your own leg.
Elbow behind your legs. Two little baby fingers touching each other side by side underneath your heels. Your goal to touch your head to the feet. Bring 110% body weight on the toes. to touch your head to the toes. Why? You are trying to create 360-degree angle stretching from coccyx to the toes. Coccyx to the foot is the last chance, everybody. There should not be any room for light or air between body and the legs. Absolutely glue it and push your knees back. Try to create tremendous stretching feeling. 360-degree angle, first leg stretching, hip stretching, lower spine stretching, total spine stretching, 360-degree angle, everything stretching.
Joints up, each and every vertebrae has to stretch. Stretch, 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 stretch. Roll forward, exhale, stretch and stretch and stretch. Inhale, breathing. Come up, arms and head together. And arms down side. Stand still there, don't move.
Awkward posture. Look at your feet. Open your feet exactly 6 inches apart. A perfect 6 inches between toes and the heels. And please don't change the feet when you're going down. Arms are parallel with the floor.
Lock the elbow. 5 fingers together. Triceps muscles should be nice and tight. Stretch your hands forward towards the mirror. Exhale, breathing. Suck your stomach in. Hold your stomach in and you sit down. Feet flat position like you're sitting on the chair until your hips touching the chair. Now bend your total spine, backward bending. Push your upper body backward. Try to fall down backward. Bring your 110% body weight on the heels. Now, coccyx to the neck. Total spine is backward bending. Another word. Chest up, lean back, fall back, more back, way back, go back. Everybody go back, go back, go back. Change. Keep your arms there. Don't blink your eyes. Learn how to meditate. If you blink your eyes, you lose the balance. Are you ready? Stretch your hands forward. Elbow, lock, triceps muscles tight. You're trying to touch the mirror. Stretch your hands forward. Exhale, breathing. Suck your stomach in. Stand up on your toes maximum like a ballerina. All the way up. Top of your toes. You are leaning against the wall, so your hips and head touching the wall. Spine perfectly straight position, perpendicular. Sit down on the top of your toes. You are leaning against the wall until your hips touching the chair. Everybody come on the toes. Spine straight more. Spine straight more. Chest up more. Lean back more. From the side, your body looks like a square. Absolutely a perfect square. Suck your stomach. Chest up. Spine up. Body up. More up. Inhale, breathing. Gently come up. Keep your arms there. Are you ready? Concentrate. Third one. Little bit on the toes. Knees together. Squeeze your knees. Suck your stomach in. And very, very, very slowly go down. Spine straight position. All the way sit down. All the way. Now stretch your spine up towards the ceiling like a natural human traction. Imagine I'm pulling your hair towards the ceiling. From the side, your legs exactly parallel with the floor. Arms parallel with the legs. Spine perfectly straight, perpendicular 90-degree angle. From the side, your body looks like a box. Stretch your spine up. Stomach in. I know how you feel your knees. Good for your knees. Good for lower spine, hip joint, everything. Inhale, breathing. Spine straight, gently come up. Very slowly come up. All the way up. And you relax. You have no idea what's happening right now in your legs, body. When you'll be 65, you'll never have gout in your toes, your knees, your hips, or anything. Second set. Feet 6 inches apart. A perfect H. Don't change the feet anymore. When you're going down, usually feet start turning like a V. But if you can keep it straight, you are using more your pelvis, your internal tendon of the legs, biceps of the thigh muscles, and lower spine together. 4 things. Just if you can keep it straight, remember. As a beginner, difficult, but if you remember, you improve.
Arms are parallel with the floor. Lock the elbow fingers together. Triceps muscles tight. Stretch your hands forward towards the mirror. Exhale, breathing. Suck your stomach in. Your ribs should be visible in the mirror. Keep 110% body weight on the heels and sit down. Feet flat position, halfway only. Stop. Immediately, coccyx to the neck. Joints up, each and every vertebrae and cartilage is backward bending. Suck your stomach in. Depression of abdominal wall. Contraction of the abdominal muscle. Suck it in.
Change. Come up. Again, same way. Stretch your hands forward. Suck your stomach in. Second one.
Triceps muscles tight, tight, tight. Stand up on your toes, maximum like a ballerina. All the way up, all the way up, all the way up. Continuously stretch your spine up towards the ceiling like a natural human traction. Whole body going up. Think I'm pulling your hair towards the ceiling. Sit down. On the top of your toes, spine perfectly straight position. Spine perpendicular. Continuously stretch your spine up. Upper body leaning back. Your spine should be 90-degree angle. Come up, please. Keep your arms here. Third one. Little bit on the toes. and knees together. Suck your stomach in, stretch your spine up, elbows straight more, fingers together, knees together, sit down. As slow as possible. When your hips approaching the heel, slow down another 5-10 seconds. Stretch your spine up towards the ceiling. How do you know you are doing right? Legs exactly parallel with the floor. Arms parallel with the legs. Spine perfectly straight, perpendicular, 90-degree angle. Now bounce couple of times like a motorcycle ride to make sure everything under your control. Balance again. Inhale, breathing, spine straight, come up.
And you relax. In Hollywood Boulevard. But you have a good leg, you have to do this posture and the next one. Good luck. Godurasana, eagle posture. Everybody arms up in the air. Look at your arms. Which one is right, which one is left. Please don't mix up.
Bring your right arm under the left arm. Cross your arms each other. Hold your hands exactly in front of your face as close as possible. Bring your fingers together like a namaskar. Stretch your elbows down. Fingertip should not go higher than your nose. Sit down on the chair, everybody, like a last posture. Your hips should touch the chair. In one chance, right leg over the left leg. Put your right foot behind your left leg under the calf muscles.
If your foot is coming out, sit down little more. If you're losing the balance, lean back little more. Sit more. Suck your stomach in. Chest up more. Stretch your elbows down more. Change. Beautiful. Arms up.
Left arm under the right arm. Thumbs facing you. Left arm under the right arm. And hold your hands. See how close? Stretch your elbows down. Makes your shoulder hurt. Sit down on the chair. Now bounce a couple of times like a motorcycle ride. Left leg all the way up. Zoom. Put your left foot behind your right leg. If foot is not going in, sit little more. You got to sit more and lift up more. Then you create more room in between the legs.
The completely right foot has to come out from other side. All the 5 toes should be visible in the mirror. Change again. Second set. Right away. Arms up. Ready? Right arm under the left arm. Cross your arms and hold your hands as close as possible. Again, stretch your elbows down. Make sure deltoid, shoulders, trapezius, scapula, latissimus dorsi. Everything stretching and hurting. Sit down on the chair. Settle there. Bounce couple of times. Lean back couple of inches. In one chance, right leg. Zoom all the way up.
Swing your legs. Twist your legs. Put your right foot all the way behind your left leg under the calf muscles. Nothing loose. Arms and legs should be open. Slippery. Change again. Left arm under the right arm, the last one. Bring your hands close each other if you can. Sit down halfway on the chair. Now left leg over the right leg. Sit down please. Put your left foot behind your right leg under the calf muscles. You see that? Stay there. Don't go. Sit. Sit a little more. Chest up more. Lean back more. Spine straight more. Sit a little more.
Everybody twist your knees to your left side couple of inches more to bring your feet, knees, elbows, hands, everything in one line in the center to create maximum pressure, the all biggest 12 joint in human body, which is ankle, knee, hips, deltoid, wrist, elbow. Also 2 more scapula. Relax please everybody. Party time. You can drink little water, wipe your hands if you want to before I start standing head to knee postures. Next is Dandayamana Janushirasana, standing head to knee posture. Concentrate, meditate. This is the most difficult thing you are going to learn as a beginner. So please listen to me very carefully and concentrate, meditate. All 10 fingers interlock position. Right leg lift up. Grab the right foot in front of you. Exactly 3 inches below the toes. Nice and tight grip. Please don't lose the grip.
Make sure start to finish your left knee lock to begin with, no knee. You don't have the knee. Your left knee should be solid, concrete, one-piece lamppost, unbroken. Inhale, breathing very slowly, gently. Right leg lift up and stretch forward towards the mirror until your right leg exactly parallel with the floor, not higher, not lower. If your right knee lock, immediately kick your right heel forward towards the mirror so you can turn your right foot from the ankle toward your face. Flex your right foot, learn how to stretch your Achilles tendon exactly above the heel. Then you feel tremendous stretching, tremendous pain all over underneath your leg. Leg should be exactly parallel with the floor, non-stop, keep kicking. Still, if you can balance there without blinking eyes, slowly start bending your elbows down towards the floor until your elbows touching the calf muscles. Eventually, your elbows should go down below the calf muscles. Now, slowly bring your chest down, shoulders down, arms down, head down. At the end, try to touch your forehead on the knee.
Change again. Stand up straight.
Do exactly what I'm saying at the same moment. Don't think it's hurting or difficult or you are new. That's my problem. That's not your problem. Start left leg. Make your mind, you are not going to bend the knee anymore. Hold it your left foot 3 inches below the toes. Nice and tight grip. Don't lose the grip. Make sure right knee locked to begin with. You don't have the knee. Your whole right leg should be solid concrete, one-piece lamppost, unbroken. Don't blink your eyes. Inhale, breathing slowly, gently. Left leg lift up and stretch forward towards the mirror. Your left leg should be exactly parallel with the floor, not higher, not lower. Kick your left leg heel forward towards the mirror so you can turn your left foot from the ankle toward your face with all the 5 toes turning in. Try to stretch your Achilles tendon above the leg. Then only you can keep your left knee locked. So tremendous stretching feeling underneath your legs. Continuously kick your heel out towards the mirror. If you can keep your both knee locked from the side, your both legs looks like a perfect upside down L like a Linda. Still, if you can balance, start bending your elbows down. Elbows should touch the calf muscles. Elbows should go down below the calf muscles. Still, if you can balance there, bring your body down, chest down, shoulders down, elbows down, head down. Try to touch your forehead on the knee.
Eventually, your elbows should go down below the calf muscles and you change, stand up straight. Get your hands on your butt and bend your body, couple of seconds. Start second set. Wipe your hands again. Grab the right foot, same position, 3 inches below the toes.
Make your mind with English bulldog determination about your left knee and the left leg. Solid concrete, one-piece lamppost unbroken. Inhale, breathing, gently right leg lift arm straight forward until right leg exactly parallel with the floor. Immediately kick your right leg heel forward towards the mirror. Non-stop, keep kicking without stopping or intermission. Flex your right foot, stretch Achilles tendon, right knee lock, both knee lock. From the side, your both leg looks like a perfect upside down L like a Linda. Don't blink your eyes. Inhale, breathing, start bending your elbows down. Elbows should touch the calf muscles. Still, if you can balance, slowly bring your chest, shoulder, head down. Try to touch your forehead on the knee. Before touch your forehead, you take a deep breath. Use extra strength not to let your right leg going down when your head is going down. Change again.
Start again. Stand up straight. Wipe your hands. Left leg again. Grab the left foot, same position.
It's all mind over the matter. If you make your mind to do it, anybody can do it because key in your hand. Right knee lock. Standing head to knee. The fourth attempt, the left leg gently up. Stretch forward towards the mirror. If right knee bending 1/4 inch posture not started yet, you're wasting your time. You don't have the knee. Whole leg is one piece. No joint.
Kick your heel out. Turn your toes in. Flex your left foot. Stretch your Achilles tendon. Tremendous stretching feeling.
Your right knee should be locked still. Elbows down. Elbows should touch the calf muscle. Come down more, chest down more, body down more, shoulders down more, head down more. Try to touch your forehead on the knee. That's enough. Excellent.
Next is Dandayamana Dhanurasana, standing bow pulling posture. Wipe your hands, everybody. Keep your hands in front of you. 5 fingers together. Everybody say with me, Mama, give me money. You ready? Mama, give me money. Now you got the money, right? What happens if you turn your hands upside down? You drop the money. So whole time, keep your hands palm up.
Turn your hands palm to the side. Elbow touching the body. Now grab the right foot inside the leg on the ankle. Don't drop the money. Full grip with your hands palm, 5 fingers together. That means your thumbs touching with your index fingers. Left arm in front of you, very, very close with your head. Charge your body forward toward the mirror. Bring your body down from the lower spine towards the floor, all the way until your chest exactly parallel with the floor. Take a deep breath and kick your leg back behind you. Continuously kick your leg back as hard as possible. The harder you kick, you balance forever. Charge your body forward towards the mirror and kick your leg back. Don't blink your eyes. Concentrate. on your standing knee. Stretch your left shoulder forward. So two shoulders should be exactly in one line in the mirror. Change again.
Left arm in front of you. You got the money. Don't drop it. Turn to the side. Grab the left foot inside the leg. Full grip with your hands palm. Thumbs touching with your index fingers. Nice and tight grip.
Now think very deeply. Lock the right knee to begin with. Charge your body forward and kick. Come down more. The whole body is parallel with the floor and kick your leg back. A hard, strong kick. You are re-energizing, revitalizing, reorganizing. You activate the brain cells which is in the cold storage for a long time. It's a good news. Charge your body forward and kick your leg back as hard as possible. So you must see your leg is going up towards the ceiling.
And change. Wipe your hands. Immediately start second set. More you warm up, more you feel dizzy, you do better. Again, right hand in front of you. Grab the right foot inside the leg. Please don't lose the grip.
Now try to keep your left knee locked to begin with. Please lock the knee. Left arm in front of you. Chin touching the shoulder. Charge your body forward. Go and touch the mirror. Bring your body down all the way until your abdomen, chest parallel with the floor, and kick your leg back behind you as hard as possible. And I come down more. Stretch forward more. Look in the mirror. Right now, your right shoulder should be exactly hidden behind the left one. Invisible. Two shoulders in one line. Kick back. Exhale, breathing, and kick. And kick. And kick. Excellent.
Your left hand in front of you. Turn to the side. Full grip with your hands palm. The more you grip tight, you can kick better if you don't lose the grip.
Right knee lock. Charge your body forward. Look in the mirror. Lock the knee. If knee bending, posture not started yet. Kick your leg back. A hard, strong kick. Go forward more. Go forward and kick. Forward and kick. Go stretch forward and kick.
Kick more. Kick. Everybody the last chance. And that's enough. Next is Tulo Dandasana. Balancing stick posture. This posture is only for 10 seconds. This is good for cardiovascular system.
Feet together. Arms over the head side. Hold it nice and tight grip. Release your index. Start to finish, your arms always touching with your ears. Now don't look down. Chin up. Look straight ahead towards the mirror.
Right leg step forward. Big step. Lock the knee.
Quick charge your body forward. Immediately left leg up. Look forward. Charge your body, bring your body down and left leg up. Arms, body, head, leg, everything should be parallel with the floor. Elbow lock, arms touching with your ears. Everybody go forward. David, go forward, leg up more. Bill, come down, leg up. Come down, leg up. Everybody go forward, leg up. Couple of inches more, everybody. Stretch your body forward, leg up. Stretch your body forward, leg up.
Go back. Excellent. Keep your arm there. Nice and tight grip. Lean back couple of inches. Upper body leaning back. Chin up. Don't look down. Inhale, breathing. Left leg step forward. Big step. Lock the knee.
Quick charge your body forward. Go and touch the mirror. Chin up. Charge your body forward. Bring your body down, leg up. Body down, leg up. Come down, leg up. Everybody come down, leg up. Couple of inches. Everybody come down, leg up. Everybody go forward, leg up. Come down, 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 leg up. Everybody stretch and stretch and stretch forward. Go and touch the mirror. Everybody stretch and stretch and stretch and stretch and stretch and stretch. Go back.
And that's enough. Beautiful. You look like a roof. The whole body looked exactly together, touching each other. It looks like a human roof. Second set, you did so good. You use little bit extra strength to stretch forward so your scapula coming out.
Arms over the head. Stretch up harder. Lock the elbow. Chin up, please. Make your mind. Inhale, breathing. Right leg. Big step. Lock the knee. No knee. Quick charge your body forward. From the side, your body looks like a T, like a Tom. Come down and leg up. Everybody stretch forward, leg up, couple of inches. Arms, body, head, leg, everything should be parallel with the floor. Everybody stretch forward, leg up, stretch forward, leg up, stretch forward, leg up, stretch forward, leg up.
Stretch, everybody stretch, stretch, leg up, stretch, leg up, stretch, leg up, stretch, leg up, stretch. Leg up, leg up, leg up, leg up, leg up, leg up, stretch, 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 stretch.
Much better.
Again, left leg. Quick charge your body forward towards the mirror. Immediately right leg up. Right leg pointed toes. Stretch forward more. Not too high. Exactly parallel. Everybody stretch and stretch and stretch and stretch. Come down, leg up. 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 Stretch deep. Body down, leg up. Body down, leg up.
Go forward, leg up. Go forward, leg up. Come down, leg up. You got to go touch the mirror. Stretch forward, leg up. Stretch forward, leg up. Everybody stretch and stretch and stretch and stretch and stretch and stretch and stretch, 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 stretch. The last chance, couple of inches. Go back and you relax.
Next is Dandayamano Vibhakta Pado Paschimottanasana. Standing, separate leg stretching posture. As a beginner, you should go into the posture very, very carefully. Just American way. Do the best you can. Arms of the head.
Right leg step to your right. A big step. Minimum 4 feet distance between the feet. Now go down very slowly from the lower spine and grab the feet from the side.
As a beginner, if you cannot reach your hands up to the heels, grab the feet close to the toes, hook your fingertips, pull your feet as hard as possible, stretch your body down from the lower spine towards the floor.
This is the most important stretching, forward bending you have to learn. 360, first leg stretching, then hip stretching, lower spine stretching, total spine stretching, 360 degree angle, everything stretching. Come up.
Right leg back to the place. Second set going to be a little bit longer. You ready, everybody? Arms of the head.
Right leg step to your right. A big step. Minimum 4 feet distance between the feet. Parallel each other or pigeon toes. Now go down very slowly from the lower spine and grab the feet from the side or grab your heels. 5 fingers together nicely. Your thumbs touching with your index finger. Nice and tight grip. Pull your heels as hard as possible and stretch your body down from the lower spine towards the floor. Chin up. Everybody head up. Chin up. Head up.
Try to touch your forehead on the floor. It's very difficult to touch your forehead on the floor, which is very normal. So open your right leg little more and go down. Inhale, breathing. Very gently come up, pull your heels, stop in the middle, and right leg back to the place.
Prepare for Trikonasana triangle posture.
This is the hardest posture to learn as a beginner because this is the only exercise in the world in triangle posture. You use your body 100% at the same time. So listen to me very carefully, word by word.
Feet together, arms over the head side. In one chance. Boom, right leg step to your right and arms down side. Look in the mirror, don't look down. Minimum 4 feet distance between the feet, 48 inches. Now turn your right foot to the right side. Turn your right foot, bend your right knee and sit down all the way. Until your right leg exactly parallel with the floor. Everybody hips forward, lean back, body back, arms back. Open your chest, spine in the center, freeze there. Don't move your hips anymore. Inhale, breathing. Bring your right hand down and touch the toes. Don't touch the floor. No pressure on the fingers against the floor. Look up towards the ceiling. Touch your chin with the left shoulder. So your exactly profile of your face should be visible in the front mirror. Everybody left arm stretch up towards the ceiling. Lift your upper body up and left arm stretch up towards the ceiling and drop your hips down more.
Push your right knee back with the help of your right elbow. Make sure left knee lock and left foot flat. Inhale, breathing, come up please and stop in the middle. You did excellent. Turn your left to the left side. Bend your left knee. Sit down all the way. Bounce a couple of times like a motorcycle ride.
Lean back. Upper body leaning back. Push your hips forward. Both arms back. This is the only subject in the world, marriage between heart and the lungs. Inhale, breathing. Bring your left hand down and touch the toes. Put your fingertips between the big toe and the second toe. Left elbow should not go down below the knee. Upper body lift up and right arm stretch up towards the ceiling. Come up and right leg back to the place.
Excellent. Second set. Arms of the head. Lean back a couple of inches. Open your pelvis, chest. Step to your right and arms down side. Inhale, breathing. Bend your right knee and sit down all the way until your right leg exactly parallel with the floor.
Sit down more. Everybody hips forward, lean back, body back, arms back. Open your chest. Inhale, breathing. Bring your right hand down and touch the toes. Look up to the ceiling. Touch your chin to the shoulder. Both arms touching each other up and down in opposite direction like a natural human traction. Everybody left hip a little bit forward towards the mirror. Whole upper body turn or twist backward like a spine twisting posture. Push your right knee back. Chin up, stretch. Everybody stretch and stretch and stretch. Inhale, breathing, come up and stop in the middle. Turn your left to the left side. Again, bend your left knee, sit down all the way, bounce couple of times. Look in the mirror. Everybody right hip forward towards the mirror. Whole upper body. Lean back couple of inches, both arms back as far as it go. Open your chest. Freeze there. Don't move your hips anymore. Bring your left hand down and touch the toes. Don't touch the floor. No pressure on the fingers towards the floor. Look up towards the ceiling. Touch your chin to the shoulder. Profile of your face is visible in the front mirror. Your both arms should be stretching each other up and down in opposite direction like a natural human traction. Everybody right hip forward towards the mirror. Whole upper body turn or twist backward like a spine twisting posture. Push your left knee back with the help of your left elbow. Don't lean any weight against the left elbow on the knee. Right inhale, breathing, come up, please stop in the middle. Arms down and right leg back to the place. Next is Dandayamano Vibhaktapado Janushirasana. Standing separate leg, head to knee posture. Remember, this is not a stretching posture. Head to knee posture. The important thing, any way you can touch your forehead to the knee, that's the most important thing. Start again. Feet together, arms of the head. Cross your thumbs, stretch your arms, lock the elbows. Right leg step to the right. Big step. Zoom, turn to the right. All the way. Everybody turn your hips 5 times more. And go down, everybody. Look at your stomach. Exhale, breathing. Tuck your chin to your chest. Touch your forehead on the knee. You have to touch your forehead on the knee. Bend your knee as a beginner, even if you have to for half inch. Forehead on the knee. Everybody stretch your hands forward beyond the toes so your elbow straight. Eyes open. Breathing always normal. Come up, arms and head together. Stop in the middle. Turn to the left. 185-degree angle. Don't bring your leg close. Open your legs more. Exhale, breathing. And you go down. Look at your stomach. Tuck your chin to your chest. You have to touch your forehead on the knee. 10 seconds. You are using 8 more important things in human body first time in your life. Pancreas, kidney, oblongata, medulla, thyroid gland, pituitary gland, throat chakra, crown chakra. Push your hands and lock the knee, lock the knee, lock the knee. Inhale, breathing. Hold the breathing. Very gently come up. Don't lose the balance. Turn to the center, arms down and right leg back to the place. Second set. Arms over the head. Now right leg step to the right. Big step in one chant. Turn to the right. Everybody turn your hips 5 times more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Backside foot should be 45 angle. 2 heels should be exactly in one line. Exhale, breathing. Slowly go down. Look at your stomach. Throat choked. Chin touching to the chest. Maximum weight, you got to bring it on the right leg. Now stretch your hands forward beyond the toes. Compression of your pancreas. Extension of your kidney. Compression of your thyroid gland. Extension of your oblongata and medulla. Exhale, breathing. Quick, lock the knee couple of times. Inhale, breathing, come up. Arms and head together. Stop in the middle. Turn to the left. Turn your both hips in one line. Exhale, breathing. Chin to the chest and go down, everybody. Forehead on the knees. Lift your head up towards the ceiling. Elbow straight. Push your hands. Maximum pressure in the thyroid gland and the pancreas. This is a good for diabetes. You know that in 10 seconds you are using the most 8 important things in human body. Last chance, everybody. More weight on the left leg. Left heel should come up towards the ceiling. 2 hips in one line. Push your hands and lock the knee. Very quick. Lock, lock, lock. Inhale, breathing. Gently come up. Arms and head together. Stop in the middle. Arms down and right leg back to the place. Next is Tadasana tree posture. Beginners, you have to do very carefully. If you have a bad knee, just again American way. Do the best you can. Don't mess with your knees. Tadasana tree posture again. Right leg lift up. Everybody, grab the right foot inside the leg. 5 fingers together as higher as possible until your heel touching the costume. Try to get your both knees exactly in one line.
Now keep your right hand on the chest. If still your right foot staying on your left leg, lift your left hand also up, do namaskar.
Just like a triangle postures. Continuously stretch your spine up towards the ceiling like a natural, a human fraction.
And change. Release, left leg up, hold it same position.
All the way up, the heel touching the costume.
Don't hurt your knees. You can mess with God and mess with the world, but you never mess with your knee. It destroys your life. But this is good for the knees. Preparation for the next posture. Push your left knee back. Try to get your both knees in one line. If your foot is staying there, then you can lift your both hands up. Hips forward like a triangle posture. Upper body leaning back. Chest up, chest up, chest up. And change.
Next is Padangusthasana, toe stand. If you have a bad knees, repeat the 3 posture. Otherwise, you do the toe stand.
If you don't have that much bad knee, just follow me. Word by word, as little as you can. It takes long time to do it.
Right leg lift up.
Very carefully, upper body lean forward. Touch your both hands on the floor. 10 fingers together. Slowly get your hips down. Sit on your heel. Now keep your both hands to sides. Keep your left hand on the chest. Continuously stretch your spine up towards the ceiling. Stretch up, stretch up, stretch up, stretch up. If you can balance, lift your right hand also up. Do namaskar. Spine should be perfectly straight. Balance, 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 balance. Stretch up. Then get your hands down if you need it. Again, very gently come up. Stand up again. Again, left leg up.
Any part of the leg you feel comfortable, you can keep your foot, doesn't matter. Higher, middle, lower, upper body lean forward. Touch your hands on the floor, sit on your heel. First left hand, then right hand, lift your chest up one by one. Touch the floor. Sit on your heel. Keep your hand, both on 2 sides. Now left hand on the chest. Stretch your spine up. Look close with you in the mirror, in the floor.
Balance and balance. You can balance as long as you can. When your knee is tired, touch your hands and slowly come up again. Thank you, everybody. You can wipe your hands, drink a little water if you want to. Flip your DVD or cassette. Take a mat or take a towel. Relax on your back. We'll start the real class. Bikram beginning squad. Finish 9, we are going to start the lying posture. Everybody please lie down on your towel.
This is Savasana, dead body pose. Feet together, arms close with your body, hands palm facing up. Completely relax to bring your circulation to the normal position before you start the next postures.
This is the most important posture out of all yoga posture. Yoga class is a gas station. This is the only place in the world you gain your energy, because each time when you do each posture, after each set of each posture, you relax in Savasana, dead body pose. Next is
Pavana Muktasana. Right leg up. Hold your right leg, fingers inside each other, exactly 2 inches below the knee. Nice and tight grip. Pull your knee down all the way towards the right shoulder. Completely avoid the rib cage. Make your left leg straight so your calf muscles touching the floor. Chin down towards the chest. Keep your eyes open. Breathing normal. All you do, make sure your hip joint hurt. You're giving enough pressure in the lower abdomen. Change. Arms and legs down. Immediately left leg up. Hold it same position, 2 inches below the knee. Pull your knee down all the way towards the left shoulder. Right leg straight. Calf muscles touching the floor. Chin down towards the chest. Keep your eyes open. Breathing normal. And freeze there. Elbow close with your body. Change. Arms and legs down. Immediately both legs up. And grab the elbows each other over the legs. Both hands on the both elbows. Nice and tight grip. Chin down towards the chest. Neck flat on the floor. Eventually, when you improve your skeleton system, your total spine should be flat on the floor. Completely flat.
As a beginner, if you can hold your elbow is all right. You can hold your wrist also. Your neck, if not flat on the floor, still is okay. But create enough pressure in the lower abdomen and the hip joint. Eventually, in the future, when you improve the flexibility of your skeleton system, every skeleton joint, your total spine should be flat on the floor. Relax, please, everybody. Arms and legs down. Again, back to the Savasana. Arms close with your body, hands palm facing up. Totally relax. Please don't blink your eye. This is the most important thing I repeat in the whole yoga class, to get your blood circulation to the normal position. Absolutely freeze. Enjoy Savasana, dead body pose. Start. Second set. Again, right leg up.
Hold it same position, 2 inches below the knee. Nice and tight grip. Now pull more harder towards right shoulder. Now left leg straight. Calf muscles should touch the floor. Chin down, elbow close with your body. Pull a little bit extra hard in the second set. Chin down towards the chest. Keep your eyes open. Breathing normal. Change again. Arms and legs down. Immediately left leg up. Hold it same position. 2 inches below the knee. Nice and tight grip. Pull your knee down towards the left shoulder. Avoid the rib cage. Right leg straight. Flex your right foot if you have to. Elbow close with your body. Shoulder relax on the floor. Chin down, eyes open, and breathing always normal. Absolutely freeze. Don't even blink your eyes. This is the most important part in a yoga class. When you hold the posture, you have to freeze.
Change. Arms and legs down. Immediately both legs up.
Grab the elbows each other over the legs. Both hands on the both elbows. Nice and tight grip, compact. Get your arms couple of inches below the knees. Nice and tight, please. Chin down, neck flat, eyes open, breathing normal. Hips down more. Eventually, total spine should be flat on the floor. Get your shoulders down more. Neck down more.
Freeze there. Everybody freeze. Breathing normal. And relax, please.
Completely relax. Feet together. Arms on the towel. Hands palm facing up. Totally relax.
Arms over the head. Inhale, breathing.
Quick sit up, please. Touch your forehead on the knees, turn around, and lie down on your stomach. Bhujangasana, cobra posture. Most difficult posture to learn as a beginner, cobra. Put your hands exactly underneath your shoulder. Very, very close with your chest.
5 fingers touching each other.
Hands palm flat on the floor. Glue it down. Distribute the pressure all over hands palm equally same. Think deeply. You have only one leg, like a snake. Feet together, heels together. Legs muscles nice and tight. Hips muscles solid, concrete, one piece. Everybody touch your elbows with the body. Keep your shoulders down towards the floor. Gently, upper body lift up from the floor. Look up towards the ceiling. Inhale, breathing. Go up. Everybody come up. Drop your shoulders down. Elbows touching the body. Chest up more. Only your belly button touching the floor. Rest up your body in the air. Stretch your elbows down towards the hips to bring your shoulders down, so your trapezius muscles should be visible in the mirror. Relax. Totally relax. Feet together. Arms on the towel. Hands palm facing up.
Second set. Get your hands under the shoulder.
5 fingers together, hands palm flat, glue it down, feet and heels together, legs muscles nice and tight, shoulders down, elbows touching the body. Look up towards the ceiling, everybody. Inhale, breathing, come up please. Only belly button touching the floor, rest of the body in the air. Drop your shoulders down and chest up more. Stretch your elbows down towards the hips to bring your shoulders down.
From the side, your elbow should be rectangle like L. Everybody chest up couple of inches.
Relax. Arms down and head sideways. Get your legs down, arms down, relax nicely, properly. Save it for the right time. Arms on the towel, hands palm facing up. Feet together. Totally relax.
Next is Salavasana, locust posture.
Arm straight position, get your arms underneath your body. Hands palm facing the floor. Elbows underneath your stomach. Elbow should be invisible. Chin on the floor. Left leg relax. Right leg solid concrete, one piece, pointed toes. Inhale, breathing, and right leg lift up from the floor. Minimum 45-degree angle with the floor. Elbow underneath your body. Lift up more. Much more higher. 45 is half up 90. Change. Now left leg up. Go up. Left leg up. Minimum 45-degree angle with the floor. Come up. Make sure your elbow inside. Elbow and back hurt. Change. Mouth on the floor. Bring your hands inside. Open your fingers. Grab the floor with your fingertips. Take a deep breath and both legs. Come on, more up, go up, come on. Everybody go up. Come on, everybody, go up. Come on. Go up more. Come on. More up. Go up. Come on. Everybody go up. Everybody come up. Come up. Come up. Come up. Come up. Come up. Little more up. Go up. Come up. Little more up. Go up. Relax. Arms out and head sideways. Complete relax. Always remember one thing, you have nothing to lose because you never had anything to begin with at the first place. Life and death is the same thing. Just struggle and try to kill yourself. More you suffer, you must be happy. You are getting more benefit from my class.
Salavasana, second set.
Locust posture. Arm straight position. Get your arms underneath your body. Hands palm facing the floor. 10 seconds only. Ready everybody? Inhale, breathing. Right leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. Left leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change.
Mouth on the floor. Open your fingers. Grab the floor, the fingertips. Take a deep breath. Hold the breathing. Both legs up. Come up.
1, 2, little more up. 3, 4, 5. Take a deep breath. 6, 7. Lock the knee. 8, 9.
9 and a half. 9 and 3/4. And 10. Relax. Wonderful.
Arms out and head sideways.
Completely relax. Like nothing happening. You don't remember even your name, where you are, what you're doing. Next is Purno Salavasana, full locust pose. Arms up sidewise.
Hands palm flat on the floor, feet together, knees straight. Chin on the floor. Take a deep breath and go up. Arms, body, head, legs, everything lift up. 747, go up. Come up, look up, chest up, body up, head up, head up, head up, look up, arms up, hands up, arms up, your arms back. Like a jet plane wing, my friend. Arms back, I want Concorde. And relax. Feet together. Hands palm facing up. Totally relax. I don't want B29 here. I want F16.
Second set.
Arms upside. Your hands, palms should be on the floor. Chin on the floor. Take a deep breath and go up. Come on, everybody go up, come up, look up, arms up, hands up, chest up, arms back, feet together and lock the knee. Lock the knee, look up. Only your hip bones touching the floor, rest of your body in the air. Everybody look up, head up, body up, arms up, head up, come up, go up, come up, exhale, breathing, go up.
Go up couple of inches and slowly down.
Relax. How do you feel your back? Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. 10 seconds suffering much better than 10 years suffering.
Complete relax. Next is bow posture. Hold the feet from the side with your both hands.
The hands is outside, not inside holding. 2 inches below the toes. 6 inches apart between knees and the toes. And please don't bend your wrist. 2 heels in one base. Pointed toes. Take a deep breath and gently both legs kick up towards the ceiling. Kick your leg back. Beautiful. Everybody head up. Head up, wrist straight. Continuously kick your leg back. Back bending against gravitation.
Little bit exhale breathing. And slowly relax, please.
Excellent.
Savasana again. Turn your head other side. Arms close with the body on the towel. Hands palm facing up. Absolutely freeze. Like nothing happening.
If any human being in this world can do cobra, locust, pull locust, bow, you don't have to chase the world. World is going to chase you. You don't have to chase the God. God is going to chase you. You don't have to chase the money. Money is going to chase you. Start again. Second set. Bow posture. Hold the feet sidewise. 2 inches below the toes. 6 inches apart between knees and the toes. Pointed toes. Take a deep breath. Are you ready? Go. Kick up. Look up and kick up. Kick your leg back. Open your toes 6 inches only. Not more, not less. 2 heels in one base. Non-stop keep kicking. 80% air hold in your lungs. 20% exhale through the nose. That's the breathing normal.
Kick back. One more time. Slowly down. And relax, please, in Savasana once again.
Totally relax. Hands palm facing up. Completely relax to bring your circulation to the normal position before you start the next postures.
Next is Supta Vajrasana, fixed palm pose. Everybody, come up please on the towel.
Bring your knees all the way up, end of the towel.
If anybody has a bad knee, be careful and you can open your knees as much as you want. You have a normal good knees, then knees together, feet apart.
Hips touching the floor comfortably, heels touching the hips. Get your hands on your feet, go back, touch your right elbow on the floor, left elbow on the floor. Gently lie on your back with the help of your elbow. Now head on the floor, grab the elbows over the head, pull your elbows down, chin down towards the chest, keep your eyes open and breathing normal.
If you could eventually, your knees should be together. Try to create the feeling Charlie horse, one of the best exercise in the world for your digestive system, for spleen, liver, intestine, colon, you name it. Get your hands on the feet again, everybody, with the help of your elbow. Gently come up, please. Turn around and relax on your back. Savasana, dead body pose. Totally relax. Don't wipe your face. Don't scratch your nose. And don't blink your eyes. Dead body pose, you are in the coffin box, in the velvet box, whatever you call. Inhale, breathing.
Quick sit up, please, everybody. Sit down, fix from second set. Knees together, feet apart, hips touching the floor, heels touching the hips. Get your hands on your feet and gently lie on your back with the help of your elbow, one by one. Grab the elbows each other over the head. Pull your elbows down, chin down towards the chest. Keep your eyes open and breathing normal. Pull your elbows down. Eventually, your knees should be together.
Bring your hands on the feet again. Take a deep breath with the help of your elbows to come up.
Relax on your back. Everybody, go ahead, relax, please. Completely relax. This is the first exercise you do in your life when you do your yoga class. Definition of exercise is stretching. When you don't stretch your body, you don't do exercise. Arms over the head. Quick sit up, please. Everybody double jump, exhale, breathing. Ardha Kurmasano, half tortoise pose. Everybody together. Sit down, Japanese style, kneel down position, knees and feet together.
Arms over the head.
Only cross your thumbs, not the fingers. Stretch up towards the ceiling. Exhale, breathing, and you go down. Arms and head together. Touch your forehead on the floor. Little fingers on the floor. Stretch your arms forward as far as it goes. Elbow lock. Eyes open and breathing normal. Sit down on your feet. Chin away from your chest. Eyes open and breathing normal. Continuously stretch forward.
Doesn't touch the floor. You think what is more important? Hips touching or for both important. Try to improve your body. Eventually both will touch the floor. Right on the heels. Inhale, breathing. Come up. Arms and head together. Stop. Again in the center. Arms down side. Turn around. And relax on your back. Savasana, dead body pose. Yoga class is a gas station. You gain energy here. That's why when you do yoga, you gain energy. You eat less, you sleep less, and you live forever. You don't die. You achieve that supernatural power, Ichha Mrityu, which is called wish death.
Every time you lie down on your back, you are bringing your blood circulation to normal position. This is called natural irrigation of the circulatory system with the help of respiratory system. Arms over the head. Inhale, breathing. Quick sit up, please. Sit down, Japanese style, kneel down position, knees and feet together. Everybody together, please. Arms over the head side. Only cross your thumb, stretch your arm and stop in the middle. Stretch up towards the ceiling. Exhale, breathing, and you go down. Arms and head together. Touch your forehead on the floor. Little fingers on the floor. Stretch your arms forward as far as it goes. Elbow lock. Eyes open and breathing normal.
Stretch forward, everybody. Stretch and stretch. Sometime in my advanced class, I help them like this way. Create some pressure on the hip joint and lower spine. Stretch the spine. This is the stretching. A million times better than any chiropractor. Adjust your spine. Stretch more, forward more. Exhale, breathing. Inhale, breathing. Come up, arms and head together. Arms down side. You can watch me, guys. This is the way I help us to jump on Quincy Jones like this way for 15 years every day. 600 pound pressure like this way. Sit still, I balance. It's called my surfing. Come up. Relax on your back, everybody. Always you can do something for yourself. You don't need a dumbbells, barbells, swimming pool, tennis court, racket, basketball, music, gymnasium, tennis land, golf course. All you need, you, your body, your mind, your skull in a warm, hot room, a mirror, and 10 second right, 10 second left, bend and stretch. You can live forever. Arms over the head. Quick sit up, double jerk, exhale, breathing. Ustrasana, camel posture. Everybody listen to me carefully. As a beginner, it's a little hard to learn this posture if you don't understand how to go into the postures. As a beginner, very difficult to go down and grab the bed feet, both the feet. So don't move your both hands at the same time, one by one.
Stand up on your knees, 6 inches apart between knees and the toes. Get your hands on your hips, finger towards the floor. Take a deep breath, drop your head back, go back halfway, stop in the middle. First right hand down, then left hand down. Grab the heel one by one, thumb outside. Take a deep breath, stomach, legs, hips, everything push forward. Don't lose the grip. Continuously push your hips forward. Take a deep breath, stomach, legs, hips, everything push forward. Push forward more and more and more and more and more. Come up, turn around and relax on your back.
100% Savasana. Whole life depend on one thing. Spine. My guru used to say, spine is source of all energies in human life. because it's the greatest nerve center. To have a good nervous system, you have to have a strong, flexible spine. To have a good spine, the most important thing you need is backward bending. Arms over the head. Quick sit up, please. Double jerk, exhale, breathing.
Camel posture, second set. Stand up on your knees. 8 inches apart the knees, 6 inches apart the toes. Knees, second set, 2 inches wider than the toes. Get your hands on your hips. Take a deep breath, hold the breathing, push your hips forward, drop your head back, look back all the way. Now go down. Now right hand down, grab the heel. Left hand down, grab the heel, thumb outside. Take a deep breath, stomach, legs, hips, everything push forward.
And push, more push more harder, push more, push more, push more, push more, push more. Inhale, come up. Look at this. That's how you can do if you have a good spine. Come up, turn around, and relax on your back.
Tell me what the biggest problem in human life? Personal problem. Because of lack of self-realization, you always underestimate yourself. You always think you are too old, too sick, too fat, too skinny, too busy, too poor. That's called lack of self-realization. You always look for excuse.
Arms over the head. Inhale, breathing. Quick sit up, please. Double jerk. Exhale, breathing. Turn around.
Sasangasana, rabbit posture. Sit down, middle of the towel, knees and feet together. Put the towel on the feet behind you and grab the heels over the towel. Make sure grab the heels nicely. Don't lose the grip. Pull your heels as hard as possible. Go down front side. Look at your stomach. Tuck your chin to your chest. Touch your forehead on the knees. Top of your head on the floor. Pull your heels. Exhale, breathing. Eyes open. Lift your hips up all the way. Roll like a wheel until your arms, elbows completely straight. The total spine is stretching top to bottom. Neck might hurt a little bit. Throat choked. Eyes open. Breathing normal. Lift your shoulders up towards the ceiling. Suck your stomach in.
If there is a gap between knees and the forehead, which is very normal as a beginner, please walk your knees one by one again until your knees touching the forehead. Exhale, breathing. Suck your stomach in. Lift your shoulders up. Lift your hips up, 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 up. Come up, please. Turn around and relax on your back. This is one of the most important posture. The rabbit after the camel. I said spine is source of all energies in human body because it's the greatest nerve center. To have a good spine, you have to improve backward, equally forward also. So camel and rabbit, the most important posture to improve the spine. Arms over the head. Inhale, breathing. Quick sit up, please. Double jerk, exhale, breathing.
Sit down, Japanese style, knees and feet together. Second set, Sasangasana, rabbit posture. Put the towel on the feet. Make sure grab the heels nicely. Don't lose the grip. Pull your heels as hard as possible. Go down front side. Look at your stomach. Tuck your chin to your chest. Touch your forehead on the knees. Top of your head on the floor. Pull your heels. Exhale, breathing. Eyes open. Lift your hips up all the way. Roll like a wheel until your arms, elbows completely straight. The total spine is stretching top to bottom. Neck might hurt a little bit. Throat choked. Eyes open. Breathing normal. Lift your shoulders up towards the ceiling. Suck your stomach in. Coccyx to the neck. Joints of each and every vertebrae and cartilage. Equally stretching. Same easy to stretch neck and upper spine. Difficult to stretch center of the lower spine. You have to try somehow, some way to stretch equally same total spine like a pearl necklace.
Eventually in the future, you will be able to stretch your lower spine more. If you can stretch your lower spine, your spine coccyx to the neck should be 14 inches extension. Come up, turn around and relax on your back. Completely relax.
Feet together, arms close with your body. Hands palm facing up. Completely relax. To bring your circulation to the normal position before you start the next postures.
Arms of the head. Inhale, breathing. Quick sit up, please. Everybody double jerk.
Turn around, Janu Sirsasana, head to knee posture. 10 seconds only. Everybody together. Stretch your right leg forward corner-wise.
Bend your left leg. Put your left foot heel touching the costume. Create pressure. Left leg sole of the foot. Right leg bicep the thigh muscles. Create both legs one straight, one bending. Exactly 90-degree angle like L.
Arms over the head. Twist right side. Couple of inches. Go down. Arms and head together. 10 fingers interlock position. Gap the toes. Pull your toes as hard as possible. Tuck your chin to your chest.
Forehead should touch the knees. Elbows down. Both elbow down. Both shoulder down. Left elbow down. Left shoulder down.
Bring your head close with your stomach. Make sure your throat choked. Change. Bend your left leg on the floor. Bend your right leg. Put your right foot so your heel touching the costume. Press your foot against the thighs. Go down, arms and head together. 10 fingers interlock position. Gap the toes. Pull your toes as hard as possible. Tuck your chin to your chest. Touch your forehead on the knee. Forehead should touch the knee, just like a rabbit. Bend your elbows down. Bend your right elbow, right shoulder down more, and roll your body inside your right side more, so you can create more pressure for compression of your pancreas. Change.
Lie on your back, both legs forward, and sit up, please, everybody. Paschimottanasana, stretching posture, completely different postures. Now, look at me very carefully. Remember my first student? Who was my first student? Nixon, President Nixon. Now make your fingers together. Hands palm facing in, both hands down, and you go down, grab the big toe from the top with your two fingers. Nice and tight grip, like this way. Always look forward towards the mirror. Keep your chin up, head up. Pull your toes as hard as possible and walk your hips back, right and left and right and left and right and left.
Until your both knee lock, heels in the air. Now look in the mirror, bend your elbows down. Elbows down. Touch your elbows on the floor. Let's see how good you are. And your goal to touch your head to the feet. Lock the knees. If the knee bending, it's over. No room for light or air between the legs and the floor.
Stretch your body forward, forward. Your goal to go touch your boss, touch your head to the feet. You got it. You got it. Since the school started in Beverly Hills, 306 students touch head to the toes. What's your number? You got a number? Did you touch it? You got a number today. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. You touching it? Touch one more time. You got it. Ichak touch it. Ichak touch it. Got it. Come up. Turn around. Relax on your back. Did you touch it? Relax on your back. I'll make you touch it in the second set. You know, people think if you touch the toes, you have a flexible body. I grew up with biting my toes without bending my knees. And that's why I make you touch your head on the feet. Arms of the head.
Quick sit up, please. Everybody double jerk, exhale, breathing, turn around. Second set. Right away go into the posture. Right leg forward. Bend your left leg, put your left foot so your heel touching the costume. Arms over the head, twist right side, couple of inches, go down, arms and head together. 10 fingers interlock position, gap the toes, pull your toes as hard as possible. Tuck your chin to your chest, touch your forehead on the knee. Forehead should touch the knee. Pull your toes, elbows down for the knee. Just like a rabbit, look at your stomach. This is not a stretching posture, head to knee. Change. Feet left side, head to knee. Sit your left leg forward, bend your right leg. Go down, arms and head together. 10 fingers interlock position, gap the toes, pull your toes as hard as possible. Tuck your chin to your chest, touch your forehead on the knee.
Roll in a little more, change. Both legs forward, lie on your back. Sit up, please, immediately. Grab the big toes from the top with your two fingers, nice and tight grip.
Stretch your head forward towards the floor. Grab the toes, pull your toes harder.
And stretch, and stretch, and stretch, and stretch, and stretch, and stretch. Exhale, breathing. Come down more. Sweetheart, come down. Get your head down. Get your head down. Get your head down. Everybody head down, please. Get your head down. Head down more. Look forward more. Look straight ahead. Lock the knee. Come up, turn around. Relax on your back. Complete relax.
बच बच के चलना हुजूर है, बच बच के चलना हुजूर. मेरी मोहब्बत पाक मोहब्बत और जहाँ है खाक मोहब्बत.
Inhale, breathing, quick sit up, please. Double jerk, exhale, breathing. Turn around, everybody. Follow word by word the dialogue, the next posture, Ardha Matsyendrasana, spine twisting pose. Everybody together. Listen to me carefully.
Bend your left leg on the floor. Your left knee should be facing the left side mirror. Put your right foot exactly over the left knee corner. The heel, right heel touching the left knee. Both hips touching the floor, so your spine should be perfectly straight. Bring your left arm, left elbow over the right knee, elbow over the knee. Push your knee back with the help of your elbow. Grab the left knee with your left hand. Your heel should touch the hips in front of you. Right arm on your back. Try to grab the thighs behind you with your fingertips. Bring your chin over the right shoulder, look back. And twist right side all the way. Total spine, top to bottom, is twisting, coccyx to the neck. The last chance, everybody. Completely twist. Change again. Bend your right leg on the floor. Left foot over the right knee corner. Your heel should touch the knee. Everybody, listen carefully. Look at your foot. H-E-E-L, heel touching the knee. Right arm over the left knee. Grab the right knee with your right hand. Left arm on your back. You stretch your spine up. Spine should be perpendicular. Now bring your chin over the left shoulder and completely twist your spine.
Every joint has to twist. And twist, and twist, and twist. And twist, and twist, and twist, and twist. And twist, and twist. Exhale, breathing. Everybody, twist. Very quick couple of times. Twist, twist, twist. And relax on your back. Complete relax. Your body full of energy, full tank gas, totally relaxed. You don't feel any weight. You're floating in the air, in the cloud. You don't feel your body weight. Completely relax, breathe. Arms of the head, inhale, breathing. Quick sit up, please. Exhale, breathing, jabal jerk. Turn around, everybody. Kneel down position. You started with a breathing exercise, pranayama breathing. Good for your lungs, I told you. Good for your respiratory system. You end with a breathing exercise, Kapalbhati breathing. Good for your each and every internal abdominal organ. Also good for digestive system. Also good for your abdominal muscles. Spine straight position, sit down, get your hands on the knees, elbow straight. Relax your stomach diaphragm completely loose, like a hanging. Exhale, breathing by your lips and pull your stomach in and out. Swallow a couple of times. Start.
If you feel dizzy or cramp in the side of the stomach, the obliquus muscles, that means you did very good.
Second set, little bit faster and much more stronger. Are you ready? Start. Relax on your back. Complete relax. Complete relax, everybody. Savasana. If we test your body right now in computer, in Any machine, any hospital in the world, it will be proved. First time in your life, since you born, your whole body, every system, all the 5 systems